clicking. In today's video, I'm showing you how to make spring twist on natural hair. As you can see, it's so springy, so make sure you watch it up to the end. This is what I used for parting my hair. I'm working with medium sizes, so this is the much I'm going to require. I'm holding the remaining part using a bobby pin for easy work. And for this section I'm going to work with, I'm now sealing in the moisture. I'm going in with my leave-in, Mikala leave-in treatment, then coconut oil, and finishing with my Mosara hydrating butter. I'm doing this because I have high porosity hair type. If you don't know your porosity level, I'm going to leave a link to a video in the description box. So I'm dividing this section into two. Make sure it's as equal as possible. Then I'm going to twist. The technique is you take one on top of the other, one on top of the other, one on top of the other, without twisting each individual strand or section. Upon reaching the tip, you are going to take your butter, because the ends are usually dry, and then twirl. So you see, it's so springy. I'm going to do another section, one more section. Divide it into two. Make sure the parts are as equal as possible. Take one on top of the other. One on top of the other, without twisting them. Upon reaching the tip, take your butter,